Rapidly view GIS map layers to collect data, record activities, and update spatial data sets. Auto-populate data fields by using smart pick lists. Add a photo. Add a comment to a data field. Supports offline and online so your field teams can conduct work in remote or internet-limited areas. Use style palette, plot points, lines, polygons, or images. Designed with configurability customized for your business and teams. Easily synchronize data when connected to a network. Collected data can be exported in various formats for easy integration to third-party systems. Better productivity and reporting for your team, mobilizing your workforce and improving your field data collection efficiency. Summit Biosecurity. Empowering teams to map accurate field data. Request a demo today. Visit our website at www.iconyx.com.au.